Hello and welcome back to the channel. As promised, we are going to start concentrating on some very exciting content in the upcoming year. Just to give you guys an overview of what to expect, we are going to share some of the VR templates that are available to you out of the box by Unity 6. So what we'll do is cover some of the really cool stuff that is extremely easy to do today. Today, anyone can start building XR applications super easy. Where it used to take substantial amounts of time and effort is now pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, give you guys a sneak peek, and then in the new year, we'll have brand new episodes that we are going to delve into how to create XR applications, AR, VR, and mixed reality. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so here we have Unity 6 open with the VR template loaded into our editor. And in the scene view, we can see the actual level. And as we can see, we have a bunch of really different uh, objects. Here are all of the interactables that we can interact with once we deploy it. Over here, we have a canvas where you can actually incorporate some videos. And of course, over here, we have some of the basic UI elements as well. And over here, we have the actual representations of the hand simulations and how the hands will be rendered once we actually deploy it onto the device and a bunch of other stuff. So it's really cool. If we come down to the hierarchy, we would see that there's an XR origin object defined for us. So this is a prefab that's been already configured and ready to go, which is going to save you substantial amounts of time. And if we delve into this, we have the actual camera offset, and then under it, we have the left controller, the right controller, representing the actual joysticks controllers if you want to. At the same time, we also have the left hand and the right hand and the hand visualizers where we are going to be rendering the actual hands once we deploy it onto the device. And of course, there's a bunch of other stuff like locomotions and etc. And then down here we have a bunch of interactables that have been defined. Interactables are objects that you can actually interact with within the scene. So those things have a spatial component associated with them. Those components are going to be XR grab interactables and XR general grab transform. So we'll delve into some of these particular components that you can utilize as far as making your interaction within the scene in the VR much more pleasing. So there's a bunch of configurations that you can do over here. Generally speaking, the default settings out of the box should be ready to go. But if you want to do some customizations, then we can take a look and see how that is. All right, cool. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. The content over the next few weeks and into the new year 2025 is going to be substantially uh, better. Better in what terms? As far as we are going to concentrate on XR applications and not just the basics, but also we are going to cover some of the enterprise aspects of how this technology can enhance your future work. All right, cool. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye. So thank you for stopping by again. If you haven't done so, please go ahead and like and subscribe. The more subscriptions we have onto the channel, the more content we can develop and deliver for your consumption. Have a Merry Christmas and talk to you guys after the holidays. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.